maximum, maximum water table is almost 10 meter below in meter. At the console side, very good. So guys, going for, the next category is other. I think now this gives a liberty for us to address any point what has not been addressed so far. Let us go one by one, and then we'll open the session for everyone so that you can highlight your concern. Management arrangement is normal, and we'll say HSC plan is there as approved HSC plan. HSC and construction plan. Please. Appointments, no additional concern.
Yeah, manpower histogram is there.
Yeah, risk to and from adjustment. Yes, this is important because from there was a concern highlighted during Hajit session about the impact to the construction people from the adjacent